love you.
I love you. I love you. Alright, thank you so much. 1 to 10.
1.
Sobra kagin. Sobra kagin. One to 10. What's the score, Makoy?
5. 5.
Oh, shit!
Agoy! Sakit! Makoy!
Aray ko.
Massage.
Next. Female. Number 3. Okay, Makoy. 1 to 10.
10 siguro.
Tapos kung meron tayong tatanggaling numero from 1, 2, and 3, anong numero ang tatanggalin natin? Si 1 over 10, 5 over 10, and 10 over 10. We are removing
1.
1. Tignan natin ha. Sana hindi si Kyla yung tinanggal mo ha. Dalawa na lang. Hahawakan mo ang kamay. Yan. Mabilis lang ha. Alright, hawak. Yan. And, alright. Wala. Huh? Siya ba o hindi?
Hindi.
Female number 2 again. That's number 2. Siya ba or hindi?
Siya.
Okay, again, bibigyan kita ng chance. Babalik tayo sa female number 1, ha? Talagang gusto kong ma-sure ka. Now you want number? You are sure with number? 1 or 2? Yung last, correct. It's number 2, yes. But I will have this final. Again, I'm giving you our number 1. Please? Alright, that's number 1. Alright, 1 or 2? 1 or 2?
2.
Again, number 2. Ready, and here we go. Say, sir, this is number 2. Alright, 1 or 2?
Hindi yan. Ganitong kasalan.
O gani, 1 or 2?
1.
Ay, kuy. Final answer, 1 or 2, Sir Makoy? Ladies and gentlemen, our number? Last touch?
Hindi.
Mag-try ko maghawak, hindi na.
Last touch.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1 or 2? Tama ba yung ginawakan na ba? Siya ba?
Oo.
Tama ba yung ginawakan na ba? Siya ba?
Oo.
Aray ko.
Alright. Final decision. This is now the girl that you pick tonight. Makoy? Congratulations. Kabalo ka? Kabalo ka kinsay mong gipili nga kamot? Kabalo ka gipili mo akong kamot? Oo, parehas man ni.
Sorry. Ay,
Ansa man imong gusto ingon? Sorry.
wala.
Wow. It's a real couple. Ikot. And tumba. Oh, yes! Ah! Pasok na yon. Palakpakan po natin sila.